welcome back to this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. Thank you so much to the new subscribers and the returning subscribers. I value you, I appreciate you, and much love to you for supporting me. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. I always tell you that Jamaica is full of surprises. Do you know, I've learned that there is no single diaspora. Go to UK, go to Canada, go to Britain, go to United States of America. You'll find great men and women of Jamaica. And as I was going through the YouTube streets, I came across this great woman from Jamaica. This great woman shows the resilience, the hard work, the perseverance, the determination of the people of Jamaica. And she has become the defender of the Caribbean voices in United Kingdom. She defends Caribbean voices in United Kingdom. She is one of the most influential women in Britain. You can imagine a woman born in Jamaica, raised in Jamaica, not born in a very good family, because I'm going to tell you her background, but rises, defeats all the odds to be the most influential woman in Britain. This is the characteristic of Jamaican people: determination, hard work, resilience, and the sky is the limit for them. Her name is Paulette Simpson. Paulette Simpson, I hope I'm pronouncing the name properly. Paulette Simpson is a Jamaican woman who was born in the hills of Manchester. So she's actually born and raised in Jamaica, like I had spoken earlier. She was born in the hills of Manchester and raised there in Jamaica. And her to come from Manchester in Jamaica and to be named as one of the Britain's most influential figures is a great inspiration both to Jamaican youth and to us in Africa. It shows us, and I keep on repeating that the sky is the limit with hard work, with determination, with believing in ourselves and working towards the top. She was raised by her grandmother. I am not very sure what happened to the parents, but according to the article I saw, she was raised by her grandmother in a Walderstone in Manchester. And of course, when she was being raised up, she was instilled in her the Jamaican values and character. The values of resilience, the values of service, the values of hard work, the values of determination, the values of believing in herself. And all these values combined together contributed a lot in her career. They made her to be who she is today. As a deputy CEO of JN Bank in UK and executive director of the Voice Britain's reading black newspaper. So she's the CEO of the JN Bank and also the executive director of the Voice Britain's reading black newspaper. She has dedicated her life to uplifting the Caribbean community in the United Kingdom. Who does that? It's only in Jamaica we can find that. This woman has sacrificed herself to be there to uplift the Caribbean community in the United Kingdom. Not just her country, Jamaica, but the Caribbean community. I always say the Jamaican people are people who actually step forward for justice, to represent others, to stand on behalf of others, and to declare freedom to others. And this great woman, Pauletta Simpson, is a great voice to the Caribbean community in the United Kingdom. This great woman is a champion for rights, and she played a pivotal role in the Whiplash Commemorators Committee and was honored by Queen Elizabeth II in 2020. So she's not just a prayer in secret, she's known by the rich and the mighty in United Kingdom. For this woman to be recognized by Queen Elizabeth and to be awarded or honored, it's a great inspiration to the people of Jamaica and the Caribbean as a whole, and to the people of Africa. And she was honored in 2020 by Queen Elizabeth II. Her story is that of testimony that proves power of purpose and perseverance. Just like we have always talked about the people of Jamaica. They are go-getters. They are hard-working people. They are determined. They don't lose hope. For this lady, Pauletta, to be born in Manchester, raised by grandmother, and to rise up to a position where she's recognized by the high and mighty in the world, she has achieved a lot. She's a great inspiration to the whole world. She's a great icon to the whole world. And having come from a small island like Jamaica, it's another great plus to the Jamaican community, to the Jamaican people, that where there is a will, there is a way. I love talking about the great people of Jamaica. This great woman is teaching us a lot. She's teaching us. You can go to any height you are willing to go. It doesn't matter where you are born. It doesn't matter who raised you. It doesn't matter what you faced in your childhood. It doesn't matter what you came across as you are growing up. It doesn't matter whether you are sleeping hungry. Because with the determination, with hard work, with the perseverance, with the resilience, you can rise to the top. You can be who God destined you to be. You can be a great person in the world. We see this woman as the most influential woman in Britain, recognized by the great Queen Elizabeth II and awarded by her because of her resilience, because of her hard work, because of her determination. I am so proud of the Jamaican people. And I love their determination. I love their hard work. I love their rising to the top without looking back, without fear, with a lot of courage to teach us that you can. When you are willing, you can. Thank you once again, guys, for watching me. See you during the next video. Bye-bye and God bless.